This is a Brew Express BEC 110. We've had it for over 10 years and we love it. Had a problem with getting the EEEE error that you've probably heard about since you're here. And we cleaned out the line, which was badly clogged, and we're still getting a EEEE error. I got a funny feeling it might be the solenoid valve, so I ordered one. I'm not any kind of professional. I've never done this before. But let's see how it goes. On the front there's two Phillips screws in the back there that you probably can't see. And on the back there's 7 Phillips screws and one T20 Torx screw hiding down in there that's got to come out as well. So let's see how this goes. So screws are removed, the back popped right off. You can see the water comes in there, goes in the top of the valve, comes out the bottom of the valve. These are very easy push connectors. The new one looks like the old one, sort of. Looks like we got to get inside there. So you depress those yellow collars and the tubing pops right out. There's 2 little Phillips screws in there. Solenoid comes out and we got 2 nice little wires. This is going to be an easy one, I think. So just reversed the process and hooked everything back up, and it did turn out to be a pretty easy little project. Let's see if it fixes my quadruple E issue. I ran one pot through and it worked fine. I'm running a second pot through now. I suspect my problem was that when I cleaned the mineral buildup out of the hose, I was forcing the cleaning stuff through there too aggressively. And I think I damaged the solenoid valve because when I was getting the quadruple E error, the basket was very full of water, like ready to overflow. So I think I just mucked up the solenoid valve. Still a big fan of Brew Express. I think this is a wonderful machine. I wish it wasn't so expensive, but other than that, it's a great product.